I don't know if you can see this. It's a mixture of actually coffee, water and some gunk that you'd normally find in the bottom of a fuel line that's been contaminated. So what we're going to do now is pour this into a fuel processor. This represents the fuel tank. This would come straight after the fuel tank, and then this would go into the engine. So we'll just unscrew this and we'll pull that in. Okay, screw that on. Right, what we'll do, we'll switch on, this is just a fuel pump that you'd get in a diesel anyway, to represent it being pumped around the engine. So just watch this fuel line when I switch it on. See the black? The other side is crystal clear. Okay, so that represents it going through the fuel line, and that's enough to filter in there. So I'll switch that off, and let's see what we filtered out. If you just zoom in on that. There we have it. So now that's filtered.